My name is IreneZab and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate for that and may the Lord bless you. So guys, today we are coming live from Lake Victoria. Yeah, we are here and we just came for a walk. And here I want to show you how they wash their pots here. Yeah, so that is how they do. Sasa, uko poa?
Uko wingi. Yes guys, and the guy behind the camera is called Joseph. Kindly check me out on YouTube at Cloud Joseph. I'm doing amazing videos there. So today IreneZab is going to show us around how people wash boards and how do you see, you know, guys, the hardworking men here, you know, and they're just washing boards, you know. They use brush, soap, and water, you know. The water is just plenty here, you can see, guys. And maybe we should boil it, you know. Yes. Me, I'm just going back to the camera. Yes, just boil it and just see how everything is. Yes. And maybe we should try it. Go. Yes. That's how everything is, guys. Now she's going to try how to wash the boards.
Yeah, so guys, we are coming live from here and here we have our amazing
Yes, you have now. You know, you only know how to board the cars and buses, and now you are in the boat. Now see the way you are swinging here and there. You should be careful, you. Yes, first impression on you boarding a boat.
It is my first time. No, not my first time.
Yes.
Yeah, there's a time I did that. It's like my second time.
Really?
But I'm not used to it.
Oh, and now why now you're swinging that way? You should be firm. You should be strong. Go strong, you know.
No, it is
Yes.
like this and like
Yes, that's how it is, and that's just like.
So maybe I should try and wash.
Maybe yes. Ask for a brush.
Yeah.
Yes, and you should be careful. Yes, and they are really excited to see you there. Yes. Our girl too wants to wash.
I want to wash also.
You should be careful while pressing that water.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
What are you holding now?
I'm holding the brush.
The brush. You should show us, you know.
This is the container.
Yes.
This is water.
All right.
Fresh water from
And the water seems to be clean.
Yeah, from the lake.
All right.
Yeah.
And you should show us the brush now. How does it look? Is it hard or the brittles are hard or soft?
Yeah. Oh, very hard.
The brittles are very hard.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is what we are going to do now.
Yes, start it. You should go strong. No slaying in the village. Yes.
So guys, I told you.
Yes.
You say like many people see us in Nairobi.
Yes.
And they say that you people you don't know even how to wash your clothes.
And you should be very careful. You know, there are some of the hippopotamus inside here.
Huh?
No. Continue with your work. Don't be shocked, yo. Yes.
Hippopotamus here.
Yes. And now you see, while people washing cars back in Nairobi, you are washing boats back in Lake Victoria.
Now we are washing pots.
You should go strong.
So,
Yes.
that's why I keep telling you.
Yes.
Something to just do anything.
You should be a marina now. You know, you should be a marina or a submariner.
Yeah, provided you are earning a living.
Yes.
And your family is well.
Yes.
You have something to put in your stomach.
Yes.
It's a blessing.
For sure.
Also, you should be like thankful to the Lord every day.
For sure. And you should. Yes. And you should be doing it. So you want to see the final product of you.
The final product.
Yes. Yes. And you should just do it well.
No, I'm doing it.
For
No,
sure.
I'm learning.
Oh really? Are you not used to do that work?
I've never done it. This is my first time.
Yeah. Yes. And maybe what are the words you should tell people in Nairobi or in other places like to visit here?
Sorry?
What are some of the words that you should tell people like outside this county?
Yo, if you are outside of this county,
Yes. They are missing too much.
you are missing a lot.
Yes.
You are missing a lot.
Yes, like the cold water, the breeze here in Lake
The breeze,
Victoria.
the
See, people sailing. You want to see how people sail? Yes. Yes.
No, I
And
would have done that, but me, I fear for my life.
oh, really?
This is what I flew by.
And you see that tree right there? It's called mangrove. It's really big.
Called what?
Mangrove tree.
Ah,
Yes, it's a
that
mangrove.
one. Why is this thing called like that?
It's a mangrove tree. Like I read that back those days back in when I was in high school and in primary school.
Ah,
Yes, it's called mangrove tree.
so it's the largest one.
It's
Like this one.
it's the biggest tree. You know.
Ah.
Yes.
So this is my final shot. You should come here and show them.
Really? Maybe you should see it.
Yeah, I've done an amazing job.
Oh, really?
Ah. And the water is like, it has like sweet smell.
The
For
water.
the fish, yeah.
That's sardines. And it looks clean, you know.
Yeah, I have done another work.
It looks clean.
No, I have.
It looks so clean, you know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
It's
that's
really
right.
amazing. And
What I can tell all of you, if you haven't visited the place,
yes,
you see many people here they're saying that this lake,
yes,
it has the good opportunity, job opportunities.
yes,
And many people do come here,
yes,
they do their fishing,
yes,
they sell their fish,
yes,
then they get money.
yes.
They take
Their kids to school.
their kids to
Yes,
school,
they
using
educate
the
their
money,
kids.
they sell the fish.
Yes,
Yeah, everybody's very busy.
yes. Actually, when you are around the lake, no slaying. It's either you live or survive. Yes, for
So,
sure.
that means, that means you have to be very, very hardworking.
Yes,
Then,
everything wanna be alright.
and then you don't do anything. You don't just work here.
Yes,
Yeah. So guys, I think we should come to the end of this video. What do you have to say, Claudia?
yes. My words is like, you know, when you are in Lake Victoria, you feel like there's life, you know, because it's a source of everything.
The
You
weather
know?
here is amazing also.
Yes, the weather is amazing. It's like it's humid. You wanna say the weather is humid, you know? Like there's like it's a moderate of coldness and a moderate of hotness, you know. As our brother told us, the brother Sammy told us that you know here it's somehow dry, and somehow at night it's very cold. Yes.
But all in all, we
Yes.
thank God.
We thank God. We give thanks, you know, to Almighty Jah.
Yeah.
And maybe the last words.
The last word is that Africa is blessed.
Yes.
Africa is beautiful.
Yes.
Come and see for yourself.
For sure.
Yeah.
And if you're from IreneZab, kindly go check Cloud Joseph out. He's doing amazing videos there. And if you're from Cloud Joseph, go check IreneZab out. She's doing
We are on
amazing
the road to
videos.
200 subscribers.
Yes.
So
We,
let us make it.
yes, we want to say bye-bye from Africa.
Yeah, from me here and Claudia Joseph, we say thank you so much and bye.
Bye-bye.